Hello, everybody. My name is Sabina Jules. You must have seen me, some of you must have seen me at your farmer's market in Gettysburg. I'm the owner and chef at Motherland Kitchen. I am so happy to let you know that the Department of Agriculture in Pennsylvania has given me the certification to sell frozen dinners at your market. This is very convenient for all of us because you can now come and buy several dishes from me at the market. And also, I would like to let you know that those who do not eat salt or those who don't want oil in their food, you can talk to me at the market and we'll work out some dishes that I can make for you and you pick them up at the market. So that will be specialized cooking. So I am certified in oilless, saltless foods, and we can talk about that at the market. And also, if you want to have special dishes made, I can also make those dishes and bring them to you. So I would love to see all of you at the market, and if there's something that you really want that I don't carry, and you see it on the menu in my restaurant, just talk to me about it, and I'll be able to make it happen for you. So I am so happy to be part of your farmers market, and I'm also happy to help those who don't have time to cook or those who don't want to cook eat tasty, delicious meals from Motherland Kitchen. See you on Saturdays, and I will be there every Saturday up to the end of the season. Thank you.